Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to discuss one problem on tree data structure. Okay, and the problem is pretty simple and it is easy to implement, right? Now the question is, you'll be given two trees like this is tree number 1, here we have tree number 2. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to find out the sequential order of the leaf nodes of these two trees and compare that order. So let's say if the order is similar, then in that case we need to return true, and if it is different, so in that case we need to return false. Okay, so let's find out the leaf nodes of tree number 1. So here we have 1, 4 and 6, three leaf nodes are there. For tree number 1, leaf nodes are 1, 4 and 6, and let's check it out for tree number 2, 1, 4 and 6. Okay, 1, 4 and 6, and you can see that the order is similar. Okay, so in that case we'll be returning true. Now let's assume that here we have one more node like this, it is 7. Now the order is 1, 4, 6 and 7, correct? So here you can see that the order of tree number 2 is different than tree number 1. So in that case we'll be returning false. Right, this is the problem statement. So if the order is similar, we'll be returning true. If it is different, we need to return false, right? So how we can solve this problem? What we can do, we can find out all the leaf nodes and push that node into some vector. Okay, let's say this is v1, so we need to just push the leaf nodes into v1, 1, 4 and 6, and similarly for tree number 2, 1, 4 and 6, this is v2. Okay, and finally we just need to compare v1 and v2. Means if these two vectors matches, then in that case we'll be returning true, and if it is different, then in that case we'll be returning false. Okay, so this is the solution. Now let's see the code for it. I've taken the problem from LeetCode, right? I'll share the link in the description box. Now here I've written the code. So at line number 13 I've created the two vectors. Okay, and this is the function for finding out the leaf nodes and pushing that nodes into the respective vector. So at line number 6 I'm just checking whether the root is null or not, and this is the condition for leaf node. Okay, if root of left is null as well as root of right is null, so we just need to push that root node into this vector, correct? And at line number 8 and 9 we are just calling the left and right subtrays. And here at line number 16 we are just checking whether v1 is equal to v2 or not. So this is the solution, and using this code you can find out whether the sequential order of leaf nodes of two trees are similar or not, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you.